I can do it. I can do it. Program.
Wait, you used open source? You're a product, I'm a product.
I'll do it myself.
I'll do it myself.
I'll do it myself. I'll do it myself.
Do you think you can build it?
For free?
For free. For free? We should buy it.
I think you need it.
I don't know, just pay! Now stop whining and just take it like a man.
You should pay for it. I'm not paying for that.
Listen, I'm not paying for that.
Fine. I'll do it myself.
You want to make money online, but you don't want to keep paying the SaaS overlords their monthly tribute? Good, because I'm about to show you a 100% free tech stack that can take you from zero to cash flow without draining your wallet. Step 1. Attract. You got YouTube. Free traffic all day long. Put out content, teach, entertain, whatever. Get attention, because attention is currency. Step 2. Convert. Use Google Sites. Yep, totally free. No need for fancy funnel builders that lock you in and hold your data hostage. Keep it simple. Tell people what you do, why it matters, and give them a next step. Step 3. Collect. Google Forms. Boom. No need for Typeform, ClickFunnels, or whatever expensive lead capture tool. Just get their info and move them to the next step. Step 4. Follow up. Gmail, automation, baby. Hook it up with N8N, the free Zapier alternative, and you got yourself a follow-up system that runs on autopilot. No excuses. Step 5. Talk. Google Meet. Free sales calls. No Calendly, no Zoom Pro. Just book calls. Build trust. Close deals. Step 6. Close. PayPal. Get paid. Keep it moving. No fancy payment processors needed. Money in, service out, done. And the secret sauce? N8N automates everything. Follow-ups, reminders, booking calls, sending emails, all without you lifting a finger. So here's the deal. You don't need a $297 a month funnel builder. You don't need a $97 a month email CRM. You just need this free system, action, and some hustle. That's it. No excuses. No BS. So if you're ready to actually start making money instead of spending it on tools, this is your blueprint.